You cannot heal your kidneys if you still eat these foods. You won't be able to heal your kidneys if you continue consuming these 10 foods when you have kidney problems. You need to change your eating habits. Steer clear of processed foods, eliminate sugar, and avoid anything that comes in a box, can, or any type of fast food. The list of foods to avoid is extensive, and some may surprise you as they are often deemed healthy. This video will guide you through all the foods you should avoid if you have kidney disease. We also provide tips on how to enjoy these foods safely, or suggest delicious alternatives that won't harm your kidneys. It's crucial to watch the entire video as your dietary needs will vary based on the type and stage of your kidney disease. Even if you believe your kidneys are healthy, proceed with caution. Approximately 90% of people with kidney disease are unaware of their condition because the symptoms are often vague. Diseased kidneys lose their ability to filter phosphorus, potassium, salt, and oxalates effectively. The degree of kidney function decline determines the impact of consuming foods high in these minerals, which can contribute to the progression of kidney disease. It's important to address a common misconception about kidney health. Some people assume that if the kidneys are damaged and can't filter out substances like phosphorus, potassium, and salt, these minerals must be harmful. However, this is not accurate. These minerals are vital for overall health, including kidney function. The key is managing intake based on your specific health needs. A healthy kidney requires a balanced intake of phosphorus, potassium, and salt. However, if your kidneys are compromised, these minerals may need to be restricted. Kidney disease is a complex condition, and understanding your specific kidney health is essential. Consulting your doctor for tailored advice is crucial. Many people are unaware of their risk for kidney disease, highlighting the importance of preventive measures. In the second part of this video, you'll discover practical tips to cleanse your kidneys and reduce the risk of kidney disease. This segment provides comprehensive information to help you maintain optimal kidney health. Rest assured, all the information presented is thoroughly fact-checked, unbiased, and reviewed by qualified professionals. Now let's return to the foods that can negatively impact your kidneys. 1. Avocado. Avocados are creamy, delicious, and packed with nutrients, including monounsaturated fats, vitamins E, K, and C, and various minerals. However, those with kidney issues need to be cautious with their avocado consumption. The primary concern is their high potassium content. While potassium is generally beneficial for managing blood pressure and supporting nerves and muscles, people with kidney problems may struggle to eliminate excess potassium. This can lead to hyperkalemia, a condition characterized by elevated potassium levels in the blood, which can cause serious heart and muscle issues if left untreated. For those with kidney disease, it's crucial to limit potassium intake. The recommended potassium intake for kidney patients is typically between 2,000 and 3,000 mg per day, depending on individual health circumstances. An average avocado contains about 975 mg of potassium, representing 33% to 48% of this daily limit. Additionally, avocados are high in calories, with one fruit containing over 300 calories. Excessive consumption can lead to weight gain, which increases the strain on your kidneys and raises the risk of developing diabetes and high blood pressure, the two leading causes of kidney problems. To manage potassium intake while still enjoying avocados, consider eating just a quarter of an avocado at a time. This reduces potassium intake while allowing you to benefit from its nutrients. Pairing avocado with other low-potassium foods is another effective strategy. You can also reduce the potassium content by peeling, chopping, and soaking the avocado in water for 2 hours or by boiling it, which can cut the potassium content by up to 50%. By following these tips, you can enjoy the health benefits of avocados without compromising your kidney health. 2. Bananas and kidney health. Bananas are well regarded for their benefits in weight loss, heart health, natural energy, and digestive regulation. However, they are also high in potassium. While healthy kidneys can manage potassium levels effectively, individuals with chronic kidney disease, CKD, or prolonged kidney damage should limit their intake. The National Kidney Foundation recommends that people with CKD restrict their daily potassium intake to 2,000 mg. A medium-sized banana, about 7 inches long, contains approximately 422 mg of potassium, which constitutes 14 to 21% of the recommended daily limit for kidney patients. This might seem manageable, but many people consume multiple bananas due to their low calorie count and appealing taste, causing potassium levels to accumulate rapidly. This can lead to hyperkalemia in kidney patients, a condition marked by symptoms like weakness, numbness, fatigue, nausea, irregular heartbeats, and in severe cases, cardiac arrest. To control potassium intake, opt for smaller bananas and restrict yourself to 1 per day. Another way to lower potassium content is to briefly boil or soak bananas, although this can also diminish other nutrients. If you enjoy bananas, consider incorporating them into smoothies or juices with lower potassium fruits such as apples, berries, cherries, grapes, pineapples, watermelon, pears, plums, and peaches. These options allow you to enjoy the taste while maintaining kidney health. Remember, fruits like cantaloupe, apricots, honeydew, and dried fruits such as prunes or raisins are also high in potassium and should be consumed in moderation. For those interested, supporting studies and further details can be found in the link in our description box. Apricots and kidney health. Apricots, though packed with nutrients, are high in potassium, making them unsuitable for those in the later stages of kidney disease. A single apricot contains about 90.6 mg of potassium. For individuals with kidney issues, consuming potassium-rich foods like apricots can lead to elevated blood potassium levels, resulting in symptoms such as weakness, numbness, fatigue, and nausea. In severe cases, this can cause irregular heartbeats or even cardiac arrest. It is advisable to eat apricots under the guidance of a dietitian. Other fruits like peaches and plums also have high potassium content, so they should be eaten cautiously, especially in dried form. 4 oranges and orange juice. Oranges are well known for their vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber, making them excellent for overall health. However, for those with kidney problems, the high potassium levels in oranges can be problematic. A medium-sized orange contains around 237 mg of potassium. Consuming more than 1 orange a day or drinking orange juice can easily push you over your daily potassium limit. 1 cup of orange juice has about 496 mg of potassium, so drinking 500 ml, about 1 pint, could mean ingesting 240 mg of potassium. Regular consumption of potassium-rich foods like oranges can exacerbate hyperkalemia in people with chronic kidney disease, leading to symptoms like weakness, numbness, fatigue, and nausea. Severe cases can cause irregular heartbeats or cardiac arrest. Additionally, too many oranges may increase the risk of kidney stones due to their high oxalate content. Although orange juice has fewer oxalates than whole oranges, it's best to enjoy it occasionally. For a lower potassium alternative, consider juices made from berries, pears, cherries, apples, and grapes. These fruits have less potassium and are safer for people with kidney issues. 5. Dried fruits and kidney health. Dried fruits may seem like a nutritious snack due to their concentrated nutrients, but they can be problematic for kidney health. They are high in potassium, sugar, and calories. For instance, the USDA states that 1 cup of pitted uncooked prunes has 270 mg of potassium, which can fulfill half the daily requirement for those with kidney disease. The dehydration process removes water from the fruit, making it less filling and potentially leading to overconsumption. Additionally, dried fruits often have additives, salt, and sugar to enhance flavor, putting extra strain on your kidneys. Regular consumption of dried fruits can overtax your kidneys, especially since they are small and easy to overeat, resulting in higher calorie intake than intended. The lack of water content in dried fruits also means they don't provide the same satiety as fresh fruits. To protect your kidneys, it's advisable to opt for fresh fruits instead. 6. Spinach. Spinach and other leafy greens are often celebrated for their health benefits, but their potential risks for kidney health are frequently overlooked. The primary concern with spinach is its high oxalate content. Oxalates can crystallize and form kidney stones, leading to severe pain, blood in the urine, nausea, vomiting, and kidney damage. Consuming a large amount of oxalate in a short period, even in one meal, can be deadly. There was a case where someone ate sorrel soup, high in oxalates, and their kidneys shut down within hours, resulting in death. Even with moderate daily intake, oxalates can build up in your body, causing kidney stones, bladder stones, kidney nephropathy, joint problems, and affecting multiple organs, including the brain. They're also associated with interstitial cystitis, IC, or painful bladder syndrome. A serving of 100 grams, about half a cup of spinach, can contain up to 350 mg of oxalate, more than many other leafy greens. A long-term study involving nearly 240,000 people found that spinach accounted for over 40% of their total oxalate intake. Foods like cassava root, amaranth leaves, chard, beet leaves, starfruit, and rhubarb also have high oxalate levels and should be avoided if you have kidney concerns. Spinach is also high in potassium. 100 grams of uncooked spinach can have up to 558 mg of potassium. As mentioned in the avocado section, people with kidney disease may have trouble filtering potassium. Excessive potassium intake can lead to hyperkalemia, a condition that can damage muscles and the heart. Boiling spinach does not reduce its potassium or oxalate levels, as it does with some other foods. While spinach is undoubtedly a superfood, it should be eaten in moderation to suit your health condition. Regardless of whether you have kidney disease, you can still enjoy spinach by balancing it with other low oxalate and low potassium vegetables such as kale, carrots, zucchini, lettuce, cabbage, broccoli, and cauliflower. This approach allows you to benefit from spinach while managing your potassium and oxalate intake effectively. By making these changes and following a kidney-friendly diet, you can support your kidneys and improve your quality of life. It's all about making informed choices and staying proactive about your health. Thank you for watching iHeartHealth. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on managing kidney health and living a healthier life. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay healthy and take care of your kidneys.